Oh, yes.
Teddy, what month is it? Oh.
Oh, good boy, bud. Good boy. Are you ready? Hi, my name is Lori, and I'm here with my 9-month-old golden retriever puppy, Teddy, and we are opening up day 11 of Teddy's advent calendars. You ready, bub? What do you want to start off with, huh? You want to start off with Costco? Okay. Can you help open? Huh? You want to help open it? Ooh, puppy. Uh-oh, it's his favorite. It's his little beef burger things. Oh yes, oh yes, his favorite. So good. Okay, puppy, are you ready? Are you ready? That's weird. Look.
Oh, it's like a double. Double
A
rainbow.
production error. Well, he's gonna eat it. Okay. Oh, thank you, bud. Here, you dropped it right there. Here, you dropped some on top of me. It's right there. Here, puppy. It's right there. Thank you. Yeah, clean up your mess. Okay. Oh, yummy. Those are his favorite. I think I have all the treats. Those are his favorite. Are those your favorite? Do you like those the most? Are those your favorite, puppy? Yeah, you like your little beef burger patties. Okay. How about we open up all these, huh? Alright, let's find day 11, pup. So I was looking at this, and for the Aldi one, they're all pretty much like the same size. Day 25 is this square right here. So I wonder how many treats are going to be in that. Or if maybe it's going to be something special. I don't know. I guess we'll find out on Christmas. Ooh, more little bones, Poppy. I think these were the same from yesterday. Little bone shapes. Are you helping? You gotta be careful because Teddy likes taking the little cardboard box pieces and the plastic wrap. Okay, good boy. Yeah, I know Daddy took the other treat. We're going to save that for you for later. Yeah, because somebody's already had lots of treats today from all of his past boxes. Yeah, and you've already had a lot. Huh? From past days? Yeah, because we've been spoiling you today, huh? Today's Aldi treats definitely had a fishy smell again. So that doesn't always happen. Sometimes they smell more like sweet potato. But I think this is probably the second time where there's definitely a noticeable fishy smell. Alright, Pop, let's open up your last one, huh? And your Pet Smart. See what kind of jerky you're getting today. Your little star pieces. I don't think he really likes the star ones that much. Huh? Oh. Who's your good boy? Well, the Costco ones are definitely his favorite. He really seems to like the little beef burger patty jerky treat thingies. So, huh? The other treats were only okay today, bub? Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. We're posting new videos every day up until Christmas. Merry Christmas!